on the NASA site, it says that the meteorite Apophis will pass between the Earth and the Moon on the 13th of April 2029 and could destroy some of the satellites orbiting the planet. He says prior to reading that, he also saw on TV a man named David Hom giving a prediction which was about a meteorite which would fall to the Earth, splitting into two parts, resulting in one part hitting the Pacific and other parts of North America, massive casualties. And he says Mr. Horn quoted the same date as given by NASA and expressed the belief that this meteorite was the wormwood of the Book of Revelation. And he wonders if you know anything about it, and if so, if you have any view on it.
Well, yes. I mean, the event's going to happen. I don't really doubt that. However, the possibility of damage would exist. I would say, on the other hand, that that's going to pass through the Earth and the Moon. What's going to happen is a complex event dealing with the gravity of the Earth and the Moon. And why did God put the Moon where it is? There's a lot of reasons, but one of them is to protect us. Just as the four large gas planets out beyond our orbit are called shepherding planets because their gravity helps to prevent things from hitting us. And so while we can say the object is going to be in that trajectory, it's impossible to say with absolute certainty at the moment exactly where it's going to go in between the two. So I'd say relax. Number two, there are always those who use something to sensationalize themselves and to make statements to draw attention to themselves, to make money, to have power over people who then become fearful. I mean, there's a lot of things. Mm-hmm. And I'm sure, Gordon, you know exactly what I'm talking about. We all remember the author who wrote 91 Reasons Jesus is Coming in 91, and then wrote 92 Reasons He's Coming in 92, et cetera, et cetera. And of course, none of them proved to be correct.
Yeah.
And so don't be fearful. That hasn't happened. And again, this shepherding of our moon's gravitational pull will probably prevent it from doing any damage at all.
Okay. And whatever happens, that the Lord is still in control, and that's what we stand on, and that's the basis of our faith.